Someone asks an AI assistant to book a restaurant table. It checks availability, asks them to confirm the time, and completes the reservation. If you've used AI and noticed it doing more than just answering, you may have seen the word agent. Once you know what that means, these tools make a lot more sense. You'll hear it when AI searches across sources, uses connected tools, or carries a task through several steps, like organizing emails, planning a trip, or helping schedule a project. Think of regular AI as something that usually responds to a prompt. An AI agent can work toward a goal over several steps, use available tools, respond to what it finds, and ask for your input when needed. That means you're not just asking for words anymore, you're asking AI to do a small job. It may break the task into steps, make choices along the way, and bring back a result that feels more finished. So the practical shift is simple. Don't just ask what you want. Tell it the goal, the limits, and what a good result should look like. Here's the habit. Use agents for contained tasks. Say, help me compare 3 insurance plans by monthly cost, deductible, and network. Show your reasoning in a table. Don't choose for me. Then review the result yourself. Check the facts, remove anything private, and make the final decision. For work, keep company-sensitive information out unless you're approved to use it that way. An agent can save time, but you still need to verify what it found, correct what it misunderstood, and decide whether the output actually fits your situation. The big idea: an agent is useful when you give it a clear lane and then check its work before anything important moves forward. Remember, an agent is AI that can take steps, not just give an answer. That makes it useful for small multi-step tasks. Use it with clear limits, then review the result yourself. If this helped, subscribe to AI Can Help. One term, made simple. What should we decode next?